Yeah, I'm gonna be doing Vlogmas day 16 today. I hope that you guys, I think it's 16 or 17, but happy Vlogmas day 16. I want to do my makeup today and show you guys my little everyday makeup routine. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and also leave a comment down below, you know, what you guys want me to film. I'm gonna do a hairstyle ideas for the holidays soon, so I'm gonna be doing that probably next week or this week. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be doing my everyday makeup routine. I'm gonna just put on my little lip scrub right here from Mary Kay. I like to have a lip moisturizer before I start. I have so many brushes to wash, guys. It's insane. And let's pray that my phone doesn't drop. I'm gonna use my tape. So I use my primer, which is the Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. This is the best primer in the universe. Luckily, I had a lot of points on BoxyCharm, so I got another one for free. So, bonus. I don't know why, that thing is it's a little stain. But, I took a shower today. See what's going on, you know? So I just, ugh. Okay. So I'm just brushing my brows with the BH Cosmetics brush. Yo, my brows, they grow so much. Even I pluck them, wax them, thread them, they still grow a lot. I did waxing, that made my brows grow so much. So I'm just using my NYX brow kit. I use the gel thing right here. It just makes my brows very precise. So yeah. And I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Palming in the color medium brown. It's my favorite. Not ran out. I use a lot of them, and then they get dirty so quickly. And then, you know. So I do when it gets too much, I just use the brush to blend and stuff. And then I just go here more too. I'm going to be using the Designer Collection by Colourpop today. So what I'm going to be using first is probably this one right here, which is Juju. I'm just going to be using the Lamar Beauty brush. I got this from BoxyCharm. I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Palming in the color medium brown. It's my favorite. Not ran out. I use a lot of them, and then they get dirty so quickly. And then, you know. I'm just gonna close this. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Brow Palming in the color medium brown. It's my favorite. Not ran out. I use a lot of them, and then they get dirty so quickly. And then, you know. So when you get a boxy charm and you get brushes, you guys know how expensive it is, but like technically they're actually really nice to use compared to other brushes, like, you know, blending brushes and stuff. If you guys can relate, and leave a comment down below, like, can you guys relate when the other eye is better than the other? I don't know, it's probably just me. So I'm done. I just put this brush down, and then I'm just using this brush from Beach Cosmetics, and then I'm just gonna apply on Potion Apple, which is like this one right here. I might buy another one of this palette because I love it. Is it right now? So I'm obsessed with Disney. I'm just gonna blend that. It's like a very nice shimmer to it. Apply this one, which is called Magic Carpet, which is like a more of a darkish purple right here. And then do the same thing. And I'm just gonna blend this one right here. And then it's like that. It looks very tan. I look so tan right now. I'm just trying new things with the foundation because, you know, why not? Once I'm done, I use this one because just in case if it's too light on me. Just a little bit, you know. And then once I'm done, I'm just gonna use the Fit Me Maybelline powder. It's my favorite powder. Just a little bit dab. Because you don't want to be too dark, so I just do a little bit of this. Using the Profusion contouring little palette here. I'm gonna buy another one of this because it's so nice. I'm already hitting pan on this one, so I'm just gonna use this contouring. I'm going to use this brush from Clinique, I believe. Yeah, Ulta Beauty. So I'm using this Ulta Beauty brush, and I'm just gonna use that, and then just like swipe up like that. Just a little bit of a highlight going on. Use this one. I'm just gonna go in my nose, like my inner corners of my nose, right here, which is Sunshine. Just gonna highlight a little bit. I don't want to put too much today, so that goes with it. And I'm just gonna use this like pink iridescent type of shade, and I'm just gonna line it up. Not the best. I love it, but I like it, but I don't love it. Okay. I got a little bit of a sparkle going on. I'm not gonna put too much on my face right now. So once I'm done with that, I was gonna do blush and stuff like that, but this time I don't think so. I'm gonna be using the It Cosmetics mascara. I love this one. It helps for your lashes to spread. Okay. Eyeliner from CoverGirl. I'm gonna let this one dry, so I'm just gonna use this. My mascara. While my lashes are drying, I'm gonna put on the CoverGirl eyeliner. Like that. And I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex as my second coat, and after that I'll be done. A liquid lipstick. So when I'm done with my makeup, I use my lipstick and stuff like that. So I always do lipstick last after my makeup and everything. So yeah. This look, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Matte liquid lipstick. This is in the color Cinnamon Bear. Stick. So yeah. So this is like my makeup look if I was going out for the holidays and stuff like that. So I hope that you guys like this makeup look.